In this example, we will learn how to solve simple word problems involving AP. So you are given that the third term of the AP is 10 and the seventh term is 34. Find the first term and the common difference and find the 12th term. So I think it is clear to everyone that the first step is for us to write down the third term and the seventh term, the expressions. So firstly, we are given that A3 is equals to 10 and A7 is equals to 34. A3 is given by the first term plus 2D. Okay, because both A and D, the first term and the common difference are unknown. And A7 is given by A plus 6D. So we have two equations. We can solve them simultaneously to obtain what is A and D. Okay, so if you solve them, you will obtain A is equals to -2 and D is equals to 6. Now the question also requires us to find the 12th term. So for the 12th term, U12 is equals to A plus 11D. You can just substitute in the values to find U12 to be 64.